YouTube. Here I have a 3D TV that I bought for my son because he wanted to watch 3D movies, and when I turn it on, this relay right here pops and it just turns right back off. Here, let me show y'all. Okay, there goes the pop. Backlight turns on and then turns off. And I'll just keep doing that. And it's just trying to turn on. See, turns on and then it turns right back off. That doesn't look right. But okay, let's turn this off. So they're saying that the capacitors might be bulging. Let me take a look at them. Oh, I don't see anything specific, but let's try to take this off the board and try to look at the back of it. So I'll do my best to try to do this while recording. I'll be very gentle with these. Okay, click these two little tabs here and there we go. And let's just take it out of here. We're gonna check the back of it, see if there's anything cracked back here. Oh. Okay, now the board should come off. Okay, so here it is. So what I'm looking at is maybe these right here. This one, it's not all shiny like these three. That one's not shiny either. Not sure why they're not shiny, but why is it kind of like the board looks greasy? Or is the flux? Look at that. Looks like something's not right here. So what am I looking for? Okay, I'm going to put it underneath the microscope and see if I can find anything. I'm going to pause the video. So here it is under the board, and as you can see the pin there. That shows the pin. You know, these just look way different than the others. I'm just gonna resolder those, see what happens, because that one looks all jacked up. So let's see what happens. Alright, so I just put some solder on them, and now let's test it again. Let's just test it again, see what happens. That could have been the issue. Okay, we're gonna plug in the connectors again. Plug in over here. Alright, so I soldered those. I stuck the power in, and the TV appears to be on. Let me flip it over to see what's actually on the screen. And now what we have is, and now the TV's on. It's not turning on and off. I want to thank Sci-Fi channel. He's the one that pointed this out, and that's where I looked and was able to fix it. Let's turn it off, see what happens if we turn it off. Okay, it's turned off. Turned off. Okay. Now let's turn it on back on. Now it's turning on. My son's going to be so excited we can now watch 3D movies. Thanks guys, have a good day.